Obesity Day. Hispanic women aged 18 and over, 48.3% are obese in California, U.S. Overweight or obesity. Obesity is an epidemic disease that is related with fat, overweight, and adipose tissue. The excess of adipose tissue can cause serious damage to the body. Obesity can extend life expectancy with mortality and morbidity. Adipose tissue. Adipose tissue is related with fat, which is located beneath the skin or subcutaneous fat around internal organs. Morbidity. People can suffer serious health risk diseases from obesity. Obesity causes diabetes type 2, sleep apnea, heart disease, high blood pressure, hair or acid reflux, cancer, and other diseases. BMI, the body mass index, calculates the right weight that you should be. The BMI is divided by weight or kilograms and height by meters. If your BMI is more than 30 or greater, you are considered obese. How to avoid it? Be physically active. Walk 30 minutes daily. Dance, lift weights, bicycle, yoga, and other exercise. Maintain a healthy, balanced diet. Consult with your healthcare provider for advice. Obesity can kill you. Stay away from it. Be healthy. Take care of your body.